I want to show you how I made this gasket. There's two critical parts to make this. One is the choice of materials. This is made out of a thin piece of black foam insulating tape, and I emphasize thin. Don't use some of the thicker foam tapes that you see or some of the molded shaped weather stripping tapes. This tape comes in a 2-inch wide roll, and as you can see, it's pretty thin. I cut it to approximately the width of this board. A little proud of the board. Tape the tape on here, and then I take a marking gauge. This is a Veritas marking gauge. You'll note that it's got a very sharp circular edge here. It can be adjusted to the depth of cut and so on. I take that and I run it along like this to score the tape, then run it on each end to score the tape. Do it on all sides like that. And then when you're done, you can take your fingernail and peel it up and then just rip off that middle strip, and you've got a perfect gasket with no leaks anywhere.